Generate a prescription on climate.com or select a pre-existing prescription. Ensure the FieldView Drive 2.0 is properly connected to the serial USB adapter and is receiving power. Connect the USB cable from the adapter to the iPad device utilizing the appropriate adapter. Open the FieldView app and tap the Prescriptions tab. Select the appropriate prescription type and tap Export on the top left. Select your desired prescriptions. Tap Export on the top right, then Share File. Be sure to choose the correct file type for your machinery display. Wait for the file to process. Select Save to Files, then choose FieldView under Location on the left-hand side of the window. Do not change the file name. Open the Apple Files app. Navigate to the FieldView location on the left. Long hold on the compressed prescription file and select Uncompress. Disconnect the iPad device and connect to the OEM display via the USB cable. From here, proceed with OEM display prescription import procedures. For more information, please reach out to our support team or visit our Knowledge Center.